check out that background. Beautiful. This spot is completely new. Never hunted here. But just want to give it a try. So we'll see if we get any birds. Woo! Got him, baby. Number six for the day. Not bad. It's about sunset. Today I shot 6 doves. Unfortunately I lost my phone, so I couldn't shoot as many as I want. But I got very lucky. I got 6 doves total. So day 3 of dove opener. Hoping to take home a few. It's a nice cool breeze today. It's gonna be up to 98 degrees, so won't be here too long, but hopefully we can bag a few. Stay tuned. First bird of the day. Second bird of the day. Beautiful. Guys, that's it. End of the week. I'm gonna call it for the season for dove. Small game's gonna open up soon, so this is morning dove on the grill. Just got this yesterday and today, so. Almost ready. All right, time to eat. This one's a little overcooked, but it looks great. Kate, you want to try it? Morning dove? You see this? Look at that. Try it. Try it. Is it good? Super good? Yeah. You want me to get some more? Yeah. Yeah, look at that. You want another one?
Nice.
You want one too, Calvin? Delicious. Another one? Look at that. There you go. It's super yummy. Right there. I dropped it. Eat it. Wow, look at that. Look at that breast. Delicious. Want some more? Wow, it's so good. I'll go get some more, huh? Look at that. Look at that.
Yum yum.